Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Taylor Haselton, and I like to start off my videos with a joke, and then I get right into the video. So the joke for today is, what kind of tree can fit in one hand? A palm tree. So hopefully you got a little laugh out of that. Just want to thank you guys for the support so much. I have a goal of getting to 1,000 subscribers by June this year, so hopefully that happens. And let's get right into the video. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to get that white outline on your images for your YouTube thumbnails or really anything else that you want to get the outline on. I will be using Canva, and this will be the pro version. However, Canva usually has a free 30-day trial, so if you don't want to pay for it, you can definitely look into the free trial and be able to do this. So first, you just go to Canva's homepage. You can either Google Canva, or I'll have the link in the description below. And then in the top right hand corner, hit create a design. And Canva actually has a YouTube thumbnail already there for you, so this would be the right size for you and everything you need. So you would click on that and it will open it up in a new tab, which I already did earlier just to save some time, and I already pre-uploaded an image. So you can name your thumbnail here in the top. And then in order to upload an image, you just go to this left hand side and go to uploads, and then there'll be an upload button. You just select the image that you want to do the outline on. And then once it's loaded, you can click on it if it's not already highlighted and hit edit image. And first you want to do the background remover, and all you have to do is click on it. And I have the free trial right now, so I'm just going to click just remove background. I'm not paying for the pro version at this moment. So this is definitely something you can look into if you don't have Canva Pro but you're looking to do this. So when you hit the background remover, it's going to take a couple minutes to load, and if you're not happy with what it did, there is an erase and restore option up here where you can take some more out or put some more in. So as you can see, it left some of the fence for me down here, so I can hit this erase button and then I could erase some more of the fence. If I was going to use this photo for an actual thumbnail right now, I would spend a lot more time. As you can see, this is kind of messing up and I would be a lot more careful, but for the sake of this video, I'm just showing you how to do the outline, so I think you would get the idea. And then you would just hit done and it would be all good, and then hit apply. So in order to get the white outline, I'm first going to change my background to something else just so that you can see the outline. So let's just do this tan color here and go back to edit image. And then you want to click on shadows. So if you don't have shadows listed right there, you can scroll down and it should be here somewhere. You might have to download it, but it should be there and you should be able to find it, or you can search effects as well and it should come up. So then you click on that and then go to glow, which is right here. And once you click on glow, I like to edit it because when I click on it, it just gives me this sort of black glow around, and that's not what I'm trying to do here. So for size, you can adjust the width right here. I usually go to about 7. For transparency, I do 100%. And then for blur, I do 0. And for color, this is where you can change it to white to get that white background, or you can really do any color here. That is totally up to you. And you can click this button and get a bunch of other colors as well. And I'll just show you the size difference. So that is so easy, and that's how you do it, and then just hit apply. But remember, once you hit apply, you won't be able to go back and sort of fix it. See, it'll just add a new one on there. At least I haven't found a way to do that. So if you're not happy with the width and everything, then you'd have to do a whole nother image. If somebody has a better way, definitely let me know, but this is just from my personal experience. So that is how you do the white outline on your thumbnails or for anything else you would like it, and you can expand it, make your photo bigger or smaller, things like that. I really hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions, comments, tips, anything like that, please feel free to comment them below and let me know how you're doing. I always love getting to know you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate all of the support so much. I hope you have a fantastic day.